How to chat with a character on Talkie Soulful AI. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how you'll be able to interact with other characters that are here at Talkie Soulful. Simply open the application, and if you want to chat or communicate with a AI character, simply swipe left or right and you'll be able to see there is an indication on what the character is, and there's also a prologue on what is the background or the scene that you will be speaking or interacting with the character. And if you want to reply, you can either type in your message on the type box, or you can click on the bulb icon that would actually provide you hints or messages that they automatically generate for you, and you can just choose from the options, three options for you to reply. So as you can see here, I can type in my response, and I can also click on the bulb icon, and there are options that I can choose for what I respond to the AI character here at Talkie Soulful. You have an option as well. You can follow the character, you can call, and a lot more information that you can choose here. And that's basically it. That's how you chat with a character here with Talkie Soulful. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!